Orthodox Kosher Supervision, led by Rabbi Dr. Oren Duvdevani.
Exactly.
So-
Exactly.
And in kosher, we don't like that they use animal sauce and gelatin on.
Yes.
So instead of gelatin, they use gum guar, which is
Gum guar, xanthan gum. But then that has technical problems.
Yeah.
Gum guar is not for gummies. It can be used for jellies.
yes.
Jellies,
So
yes,
when you need carrageen, here comes the problem.
I will come to you for this as well, because I'm looking for a client. I'm looking for the kind of products I do is for a premium client, for premium market. A lot of R&D goes, and people who are really scientific, or people who really understand the kind of ingredients that has gone into, and the kind of meticulous scientific studies that we have undertaken. So those who appreciate, and I give my
Israel.
formulas to those clients.
Israel has markets.
I think then I should catch hold of you.
Yeah.
They can
And-
help.
Yeah, and I just want to give it to, see, the kind of gummies I gave you, it's not gummies, it's soft chew. You will not find that in India. Yeah, and I'm looking for some market which is in
Starch
US.
also. Starch.
No starch. No starch. Trust me, no starch. This is my secret, and I kept it here. That's what I told you yesterday. Some of you can come and explain. I said, no, I'm the only one who's going to be here. And I mean, you see, people come and go. For me, and my intellectual property is of most importance for me. The machinery is fine, or everything gets coded here, and none of them know what happens. Even people don't know. There's a specific code, and only this guy knows. Only one guy knows. The one who dispatches and does the emails. But he too doesn't know the ingredients. It's me. So that's why I'm so sorry. Yesterday I had to really
No,
tell you it's
no,
not
that's
possible.
fine.
Because I didn't want you to come and just get disappointed and you don't know anything what I'm doing about. So it's he's come from so
Our purpose and motive is earlier you finished all your.
no issues. I have kept this day for you. You can quiz me. You can
Okay.
any information you want, and I can give you.
No, if we come yesterday, then we stay for whole night.
No, okay.
Just one question. Again, relating to the yeast extract.
Yeah, please.
In step 2, you said that you.
We come to the lift,
Yes.
and we have an airflow unit. So here we have the raw materials coming in. Now this is for the dispatch.
Yeah.
This is the dispatch line. You have to say it. But this is where we have the dispatch line entry. Entry of the raw materials coming here. Until we have a QC check done. So once the QC quality control is done, then only we proceed from manufacture. So guys, we keep it here. Okay. These are all free and good there. These are 9 units.
So let me know about the production process. After you get the raw materials,
Right.
you start the centrifuge or
It all depends on the kind of products that we do.
Yeah.
We are a nutraceutical manufacturing company and also provide certain raw materials, processed raw materials to some industries for their production of nutraceuticals and probiotics. So what we do is here, it depends. Each one is a different protocol. For some we'll have to use this instrument, this machine. For some we'll have to use that. So it's a combination of processes that we do for a particular whatever nutraceutical that we're producing. It's not a standard. It's not a one product.
I
and one
understand.
standard.
I got the technical
Yeah.
feature of the yeast extract.
Right. Yeast extract is what we are exporting now. That's a thing for probiotics. So that's an actual ingredient for probiotics that we use. We kind of use the case, we use the sifter, we use the blender.
Okay.
Okay, so this is the final product.
Okay. So for now, the kosher certificate it's only for the product that listed on
Yes,
the
for now,
certificate.
yes.
If you want
To add on,
you need to send us the ingredient list.
sure.
Maybe some of the raw materials will need process.
Sure.
And,
Yeah, we intend to add our lattes and coffee once we get the client. This was the client requirement as of now, because the first consignment is well to go. As of now, then we are going in for other countries, and if we go into a sack,
Okay.
a paper sack, which is lined and then shipped on.
Okay, it's very important, Manj, that because we're talking about the yeast product,
Yeah.
that product, part of the kosher standards is bearing kosher logo required.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, so it need we need to send them
I will send.
Right.
the kosher logo, our
That's
kosher
great.
logo.
Yeah, I suppose it takes little time to send in the products. So this is where all our actual R&D happens, and we create our formulas and whatever, and then this is where it doesn't recognize it. So this is we are a B2B company. We do it for a third-party clients. So this is a formulation, and it has got no color, no flavor, nothing.
So
And
what the ingredients are?
the ingredients are coconut milk powders,
Mm-hmm.
because coconut is a good absorbent of curcumin, and it is a very good vehicle to take the curcumin into the liver. The fat, the medium chain triglycerides, is a very good fat for the solubility of curcumin.
It's look an amazing.
You must
product.
taste it. I think you should take this at home. I think
Okay.
both of you should.
So growing and the enzyme break down the protein.
Look, at this step we will not do it here. We do not have a liquid facility, okay?
Mm-hmm.
The ingredient for, after preparation of 1 and 2 and 3 come here.
So the preparation of 1 and 2
1
made
and 2 and 3 are made outside.
where?
As is. They're given their kosher certificates. I've submitted.
The kosher.
Angel East. Okay? So we get it from Angel East. It's in
Okay.
China. It's a big company. It's a very famous company. They do 1, 2 and 3. All that
Okay.
I do here is I add some vitamins and minerals and do a little
So
processing.
we need to get the kosher certificate of Angel.
I've given it. I've given it Angel East, and I've given it from the dealer. I've
Okay,
given
no
both.
problem.
Yeah.
Okay, that's fine.
So what I do here is, see, because I don't have a fermenter here,
Yeah.
right? I just have these basic equipment. All that I do is putting my intellectual property to enhancing the raw materials so that my client has the best yield when he uses this raw material. So even my client doesn't know what I'm doing. So that's where I retain my client. That's where my business comes. I'm trying to improve his business by adding my knowledge of R&D.
Okay.
So that's what I do, basically. So I don't do very high-end science or anything rocket science, but I'm trying to simplify with simple ingredients, studying the ingredients, studying how it acts in our body. So why I used coconut milk powder is for the same reason. Curcumin as such, turmeric, washes away from your body in few seconds. Liver thinks it is a drug, it's a toxic drug, it's nothing bound. But when you take it as with coconut milk, then it increases the absorption rate. If you look at Indian tradition, my grandmother used to give me milk with turmeric and pepper and salt for cold and cough. But what's happening now, it doesn't work nowadays when I give it to my children. Why? Because I've analyzed around all the turmeric samples in the market, and I found out that in India, 99% of turmeric that's being sold does not contain curcumin. What they do is they extract the curcumin and give the leftover to us.